Morning. Hey guys, I want to talk about what's happening in the first quarter of 2023. So the numbers are in, and these are stats about the housing market from Fannie Mae, Redfin, mortgage companies, and things like that. So it's very, very interesting. So let's talk about prices of homes. So people are always asking me, hey, what's going on with the housing market? Hey, is it slowing down? Are there more houses for sale? That sort of thing. So let's get into that. And I just read a great article. I'm going to credit Inman News for this. I subscribe to that, and that's a great, great publication to get the current and the latest and greatest of what's going on. So anyway, before I get into it, Steve Gardner, eXp Realty, East Central Florida, Greater Daytona Beach area. If you like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's dive into it. So in the first quarter, housing prices across the country actually appreciated 1%. So the the whole thing that housing prices are falling and this and that, it's not the case. Now, as opposed to the last 3 months, the fourth quarter of 2022, it has slowed down. So, annual appreciation of 8% the following year, it went down to 4%. And then the first quarter, it appreciated 1%. So the prices didn't fall, but the rate of appreciation has leveled off. So, but the moral of this story is prices are holding steady and still going up. Now, what's causing this? Well, here we still have a housing shortage. So it's supply and demand. So basically, we have more people that need to live in homes than we have homes built. And that's just since '08, from the last housing crisis, we stopped building homes, and so we're making up for that. And that's going to be several years off before that levels out. That's what the economists are saying. So that's why. So you have, and that's even considering that the home mortgage rates doubled last year. So that's with extremely high, not extremely high, but higher than normal, double the normal home mortgage rates. That slows down the buyer pool. And also, there are sellers across the country that may want to move. Let's say you're up north, you want to move to Florida, my home state. You're trapped because you're looking at, let's say you have a mortgage of 2.8% or 3.4%, and you're saying, well, I want to move, but I don't want to pay 6.5% or 6%. So I'm going to wait a little bit. So we're seeing a lot of that as well. So that's a compounding, but still, because of the lack of inventory, it's keeping housing steady on the price appreciation, okay, which is good. The other thing, which is good news, is the mortgage industry. I know we've had some rate hikes federally, and that does affect the mortgage industry and the rates, but they think that the mortgage rates peaked in March. So we're hoping that this is from let's see who's got them reading right now. Fannie Mae, let's see. The mortgage market indices, optimal blue mortgage market indices, are thinking that a peak of 6.8% in April, but they are predicting a slow downward trend in mortgage rates. So that should loosen up some of those sellers that need to move, that have been holding out because they don't want to get a higher interest rate. So that should loosen that whole market up and get things moving. But anyway, I hope you found this interesting. Keep in mind, these are actual numbers. This isn't conjecture. So right now, housing market strong, prices are staying steady, and things look good for the future. If you like this information, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to hit me up, if you need anything via real estate, just look me up. Steve Gardner, eXp Realty, Greater Daytona Beach area, East Coast, Central Florida, just outside of Orlando. Until next time, thanks. Take care.